Capricorn, hi! Welcome to Mystic Queen PH. At ito ang inyong weekly reading for July 8 to 14, 2024. So if you are interested in private readings, meron tayong link sa description at sa pinned comment. Paki-check nyo na lang yung information kung gusto niyo mag-book for a private reading. So let's begin. Capricorn, what is your overall energy for this week? You have the Knave of Coins. Eagerness in learning new things related to your career, your finances. Yung iba sa inyo may mga gustong pag-aralan ng mga bagong pagkakakitaan. So, pwedeng yung iba sa inyo, merong nagsisimulang bagong trabaho, career, yung iba nag-undergo ng training. Ngayong week na to, mag-undergo ng training. Let's see your possible challenge. You have the Seven of Wands. Okay. Siguro ang challenge nyo ngayong week na to is about setting boundaries, no? Maaring may mga taong will try to, take advantage of you at may mga pagkakataon na nahihirapan kang tumanggi. Learn how to say no. Okay? Kasi, syempre, pag lagi kang available sa kanila, minsan naaabuso, no? Let's see your opportunity. The opportunity is the Nine of Coins. Wow, so this is financial stability. Magandang mga pangyayari sa trabaho mo, sa career mo. You're going to gain more income, no? Lalo na kung yung income mo is hindi fixed, no? Yung tipong pwedeng lumaki, pwedeng bumaba, tumaas, bumaba, ganyan. But ngayong week na to, mas malaki yung kikitain mo. Oo, halimbawa may mga komisyon, o kaya yung iba sa inyo is nasa business, mas marami kayong sales. Okay, para dun sa mga hindi fix yung kanilang income. And if you are someone na na merong yung empleyado, no? Some of you, ang opportunity ninyo is to try to learn to mag-a-add ka ng bagong source of income na hindi lang yung iyong trabaho ang pagkakakitaan mo. Maaring aaralin mo yung mga bagong racket or sideline, 'di ba? So let's see your blessing. What is the blessing? You have the Queen of Swords. Ayan. So I think as a blessing, yung pagsiset mo ng boundaries, makakatulong sa'yo. Kasi mapoproteksyonan mo na yung sarili mo, no? From those na will try to take advantage of your kindness. Minsan kasi merong masyadong mababait. Okay? And also, I think as a blessing, meron kang I see someone na meron kang makukuhang rewards or awards dahil sa mga pinag-aralan mo. So, pwedeng may certification, ganyan, makukuha ka. What is the Knave of Coins? You have the Ten of Swords. Okay, so itong kailangan mong aralin ay medyo stressful, okay? Medyo overwhelming siya sa'yo, kaya hinay-hinay lang. Kumbaga, kung meron kang kailangan pag-aralan, wag mong isang bagsak lang, no? Kumbaga, unti-untiin mo. Kasi kahit na aralin mo yun ng isang buong araw, hindi mo rin naman yan ma-absorb lahat-lahat. Okay? So, take it easy. What is the Seven of Wands? The Three of Wands. This is about growth. So, some of you, ang isa sa challenge ninyo is kung paano nyo pa mapapaunlad yung situation ninyo, yung career nyo, yung inyong living condition. So, kumbaga kaya kailangan na kayo ay malakas ang loob na tumanggi sa mga nagte-take advantage. Okay? So, you have the Nine of Cups. Wow, double 9. As an opportunity, ngayong week na to may mga pagkakataon rin na makakapag-enjoy ka. You will go out with your friends, hanging out with them. Yung iba, itong paglabas-labas nyo kumbaga meron siyang positibong resulta. Kasi hindi lang siya pag-hangout or pag-enjoy, but also may kasamang business, no? So, yung iba kasi lumalabas to socialize and to discuss business opportunities. Okay, you have the Seven of Swords. Naku, as a blessing, meron kang ika-cut off na tao sa buhay mo na hindi siya tapat sa'yo. Hindi siya totoo sa'yo. Maaring meron ka na finally matutuklasan mo na kung sino tong taong to na hindi tapat. At least nalaman mo, 'di ba? So you have order. Ayan, moon in moon in Virgo in the 6th house. Okay, so it's time for you to organize things. Work, kumbaga parang kailangan mo ng bigyan ng sistema yung ginagawa mo sa araw-araw. Kasi pwedeng yung iba sa inyo, kalat-kalat yung ginagawa ninyo. Wala siyang sistema. So, it's time for you to put things in order. Yes, oh, look at that. Harmony, the sun in Libra in the 7th house. Para meron kang, peace. You will be at peace. Kampante ka na nagagawa mo lahat ng kailangan mong gawin. You also have, wow, sun in Leo in the 5th house. There's fortune. There's fortune in your creativity, in your career, in your passion in life. So, whatever this is na gusto mong i-pursue sa buhay, ayan yung talagang gusto mong gawin, you are passionate about, do it. Kasi, dyan ka, magiging very, very, very successful. Okay, let's see what else we have for Capis. Capricorn. Okay, so you have the gentleman. Gentleman is male energy. So pwedeng energy mo to or the person that you are dealing with. You have the tower. Okay, the tower here is a person in authority. So merong significant na tao sa buhay mo. Can be a male energy or a masculine energy na meron siyang malaking gagampanan sa iyo ngayong week na to. Can be your boss. Oo. Ooh. So, some of you, meron talaga kayong ika-cut off na tao sa buhay nyo. Okay? Yung iba sa inyo, Capricorn, kung you are dealing with a boss na talagang medyo stricto, toxic, baka kayo ay aalis na dyan sa trabaho at magre-resign na kayo. Yeah, kasi iba sa inyo naapektuhan yung inyong kalusugan. So, pwedeng medyo stressful yung relationship mo with a boss or with someone in authority. Kaya, yung iba sa inyo, you will cut off this person sa buhay mo. You will focus on your health, your well-being. Oo, kasi kung toxic naman, 'di ba? This can be a boss or someone in your life na parang nagiging controlling na sa'yo. Kaya nga ikaw ay magse-set ng boundaries eh. Kaya nga may opportunity ka rito na maging free, no? Maging independent. Let's see, money, career, finances. You have the 3 of coins. May bago na i-workout ka sa work, sa trabaho. Pwedeng merong contract signing, can be related sa abroad, or may travel opportunities for you. Maganda yung energy ng kaperahan ninyo, Capricorn, because that is stability in your finances. This is also pagpapaunlad, no? Expansion ng trabaho, ng business, ng career. Let's see your love life. 4 of Swords, the Knave of Wands in reverse. Justice. Oh, Libra energy. There's also energy ng fire sign, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. I think meron ka na-realize sa isang tao na in-effortan mo talaga, tapos parang feeling mo, this person ay hindi niya ibinabalik yung effort mo, unrequited, kumbaga. This can be a relationship romantically or sa friend or sa family. So I think yung iba sa inyo, iisipin niyo na kung ano yung best for this situation. Yung iba sa inyo, you will have enough na parang, okay, tama na, ayoko na mag-effort sa taong 'to. Oo. So, let's see your final message. Welcoming the unexpected, intrusive, or undesirable brings unlooked for benefits. Okay, so I feel like you are going to be more, yung malakas ang loob, or yung, ah, parang susugal ka sa buhay, no? Oo. Maaring merong bagong opportunity for you, magte-take ka ng risk, and maari itong merong magandang benepisyo na ihahatid sa'yo. Okay? So, that is your reading, Capricorn. Thank you so much. Bye!